What if I told you that a 19-year-old girl from a small town with no degree and no fancy training stood up in front of Elon Musk, asked for a job, and actually got it? Sound impossible, right? But this is not just a story, it's real. And it all started with a simple challenge from Elon Musk himself. Stick around, because what happened next left the world stunned. It was a grand Tesla event, engineers, investors, and tech enthusiasts filled with the room, eagerly waiting for Elon Musk to reveal Tesla's latest innovations. As always, he had the audience hanging on his every word. When the presentation ended, Elon stopped forward and said, "Let's take some questions." Hands shot up everywhere, but instead of picking the unusual executives or reporters, Elon pointed to the back of the hall where a young girl stood up. Her name is Amara. She was different from the rest, not in a suit, not in a branded Tesla shirt, just a simple outfit and a notebook in her hand. With a steady voice, she asked, "Mr. Musk, I am 19 years old. I built a robot in my garage using scrap parts. I don't have a degree, but I want to work at Tesla. Will you give me a job?" The room went silent. Some people clucked, others whispered in disbelief. A teenager with no formal training asking Elon Musk for a job. It sounds crazy. Elon raised an eyebrow, intrigued. "A robot? What does it do?" Amara took a deep breath. "Right now, it can pick up objects and perform simple tasks, but I know I can make it better if I have the right resources." The audience leaned in. Was Elon going to dismiss her? Laugh it off? Instead, he challenged her. "Alright," Elon said. "If you can improve your robot to solve a real world problem and show me something impressive, I will consider giving you a job." The crowd gasped. Was he serious? A billionaire CEO just threw down a challenge to a teenager? Amara did not hesitate. With determination in her voice, she said, "Challenge accepted, Mr. Musk," and just like that, the journey began. Amara returned to her small town, still buzzing with excitement, but she had only 30 days to turn her basic robot into something remarkable. Her garage was not a high tech lab, it was filled with old tools, scrap metal, and parts salvaged from junkyards. But this was here her dream lived. The first challenge, finding the right problem to solve. After days of brainstorming, Amara found her mission, a robot that could sort and recycle trash. Her town struggled with waste management. Trash built up because people did not separate recyclables from non recyclables. If her robot could fix this, it would not just impress alone, it could make a real difference. But making it happen, that was the hard part. Amara spent days scavenging for parts in junkyards, looking for useful motors, sensors, anything she could repurpose. Then came coding. She had to teach herself advanced AI programming to make the robot smart enough to identify their different parts of waste. She spent nights watching YouTube tutorials, testing code, failing and starting over. And of course, there were the doubters. Neighbor scoffed, "Do you really think Elon Musk care about a kid from this town?" Even her friends questioned her, "Why waste time on this? Just get a normal job." But Tamara did not stop. She had a vision. One day, an elderly man knocked on her garage door. "I hear you are trying to build something," he said. His name was Mr. Harris, a retired engineer. He saw Amara's passion and offered to help. With his guidance, Amara learned how to optimize motors, fix wiring issues, and improve her robot's efficiency. With just 3 days left, Amara's robot could now sort trash into recyclables, non recyclables, and organic waste. It was not perfect, but it worked, and now it was time to show Elon Musk. So, on the day of event, Amara packed her robot carefully and arrived at Tesla's headquarters. She stepped into the stage facing some of the smartest minds in the world, including Elon himself. With a deep breath, she spoke. "3 weeks ago, I told Mr. Musk that I built a robot in my garage. He gave me a challenge. Today, I am here to show you what I have created." She set up a pile of trash, plastic bottles, paper, food waste, and switched on her robot. The audience held their breath. Slowly, the robot came to the life. It scanned the objects, identified each one, and sorted them into the correct bins. The crowd erupted in applause. Amara smiled in relief, but then suddenly her robot froze. The room fell silent. Something was wrong. Sweat dripped down on her forehead as she quickly checked the robot. The motor had overheated. People murmured. Some looked disappointed. "She tried, but she's not ready." Then Elon Musk stood up. He walked over and simply asked, "Do you know what went wrong?" Amara swallowed hard. "Yes, the motor is overheating because the load is too heavy." Elon handed her a tool to fix it. Her hands trembled, but she replaced the motor and recalibrated the robot. 10 minutes later, she restarted it, and this time it worked flawlessly. The crowd cheered louder than before. Elon smiled. "That's what I like to see. Someone who does not give up when things go wrong." Elon walked on the stage and said, "Amara, you have done something incredible. You have proven that innovation does not require fancy degrees or expensive labs, just passion and determination." Then he turned to her and said the words she had been dreaming of. "You have earned your place at Tesla." But he did not stop there. "I want to help you develop this robot into something that can change the world." Tears welled up in Amara's eyes. She had done it. From a small garage to the global stage, she had proved that dreams are never too big if you have the courage to chase them. So, what's your dream? And how far are you willing to go to achieve it? If this story inspired you, hit like and subscribe for more.